and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a really easy snack idea. These are sautéed chickpeas or garbanzo beans, same thing. They are so delicious and full of flavor. They're also full of protein and fiber, which is a great snack to have if you're looking to lose weight or if you're just looking for a healthier lifestyle. Let's make them. We are gonna first get started by mincing up a jalapeno. We just need about a teaspoon, and if you don't like spicy, you can definitely leave these out. We're gonna chop up one garlic clove. Next, we're just gonna drain our chickpeas. I just have a can of chickpeas. These are no salt added. I'm gonna add some salt to mine when we go. Either way, totally fine. Now we're just gonna give them a rinse. Chickpeas aren't quite as bad as like kidney beans. There's not as much gooey liquid in there, which is nice. It's definitely more watery. I'm just gonna sit these on my countertop on some paper towels so they can dry. Sometimes I just give them a little bit of a toss so that it gets all that water out. We're gonna heat our skillet up to medium-high heat. And we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Our oil is nice and hot. We're gonna carefully transfer in our chickpeas. You're gonna hear them popping in the background a lot. That's totally fine. If you feel like you need to drop your heat to medium, you can do that. Just cook it a couple minutes longer. We want them nice and crispy. And we're gonna add in our spices. We have a half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm gonna add in some lime juice. You can see my pan is still really hot. Just a pinch of salt, a large pinch. And lastly, we're gonna add in our jalapeno and garlic. We are only gonna cook this for about a minute. We just want that jalapeno and garlic to just cook for a second. We are gonna immediately toss this into a bowl so we can stop that cooking process. These are all done. They look so good. That's it, we're all done with this easy snack idea. These garbanzo beans are so good. You can top them off with some hot sauce if you want, a little bit more salt, maybe some more lime juice. Just go crazy with it. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together. I will see you next time.